Do you perceive conflict as necessary?
Not always, but most of the time. Ideas like the particles in the Large Hadron Collider, in that way, only by firing them at speed into one another. You may call it conflict, I prefer mutation. Can we understand and get to the truth of what is actually being discussed? Constructs need to be dismantled in order to sort of understand their nature.
So you see this work as a thought experiment?
Partially, but without the science, there's certainly no hypothesis, and I won't be gathering data.
Then are you stating this conclusion that conclusions are not the point?
No, I'm stating that conclusions are not possible, since a conclusion implies a beginning, and all thought arises from the middle of an experience, since all thoughts are relative and experiential. I see this piece as a locus for thought. Even a conclusion made by the individual is not possible, because thoughts and opinions change all the time. I certainly won't be changing anybody's opinion about work of this kind. It's really for the individual to allow opinions to formulate and alter themselves experientially.
Some would say that this work is just another art world prank.
They wouldn't be wrong. Like, if the purpose of the prank is to engage thoughts with other thoughts, the fact the location of the envelope is unknown to me allies itself with ridding the piece of what Morgan Fisher called the subjective stink of decision-making. Intervention of any kind by the artist in this idea would destroy the natural flow of thought. So, to return to the comparisons with science, this is where the artist acts most like a scientist, in the neutrality.
Which one's the functional object?
I couldn't tell you.